Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. Today I'm going to tell you an overview about the different decades of life and what kind of eye problems should you expect and how should you take care of your eyes. So let's start from childhood. Once the child is born, your pediatrician will check the baby's eyes completely, and if there is anything that needs immediate attention, they will refer you to a pediatric ophthalmologist. A pediatric ophthalmologist is one who checks the eyes of a child or a baby of a younger person because that needs a little more attention compared to an adult. Remember, when a child is growing in the first decade of life, this is when the visual milestones, the binocularity, the fixation, the alignment of the eyes, all these are extremely important. If you feel that your child is not able to see, or if he is falling, bumping into objects, not able to pick up objects, or if there is a cross eyes where the eyes are not aligned correctly, all of these need immediate attention. Some children have eyes that are moving all the time spontaneously. This needs an immediate attention. Get hold of an ophthalmologist, a pediatric ophthalmologist, and get it checked. It's a wise idea to go in for a number checkup when the baby is 2 years old, then when the baby is 5 years old, 10 years old, and so on. If the child has glasses, a number, then it is okay for them to wear glasses at an early age. In fact, it is better if they start using it. Otherwise, by not using glasses, they may land up with permanent weakness, which is called amblyopia or lazy eyes. Lazy eyes means the eye has a potential to see, but it's not working to a full potential that it can achieve. So if your child has lazy eyes, follow the treatment of a pediatric ophthalmologist and get it corrected in correct time. When you come to the next decade of life, which is your 10s to 20s, kids who are already wearing glasses would now go in for contact lenses. Some children would be playing sports, so you have to watch the videos on sports eye care for that. Some may land up with allergic symptoms of red eyes, watery eyes, which need to be treated on an immediate basis by an ophthalmologist. Allergens should be avoided, screen time should be minimized, and this is the time for them to eat healthy and develop healthy habits so their eyes remain healthy longer. When you come to your 20s to 30s, in this age group, usually it's all about work, work, work. And as we know, most of our work cannot happen without using a screen or a gadget or some form of device. You know that these devices cause a lot of glare related issues and a lot of tiredness of the eyes. So it's good time to invest in anti-glare coating, computer vision glasses, and to keep your eyes well moisturized. This is also a good period for you to go in for a laser surgery and get rid of the glasses if you're waiting to do that. When you go to a higher decade in your 40s, this is the time when your eyes start giving way and you get a reading number which is called presbyopia. Also, some of us land up with comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension. These can affect the retina of the eye, which is the back layer of the eye, and these effects are seen in our early 50s. When we come in the 50 to 60 decade, this is the time when most of us would land up with a cataract, although cataracts can happen at an earlier age also. Cataracts need to be addressed because they reduce your vision drastically, and the cure for this is a surgery which is quick, which is having very good results, and you should go ahead, get it checked, and if that's bothering you, you should get the cataract sorted as soon as you can. Also, we have to look out here for eye pressures because you could land up with glaucoma. When you go a decade higher, beyond 60s and above, then there is a risk of age-related macular degeneration. Just as our body ages, our retina also ages, and this aging affects the center from where the vision develops, which is called the macula. Degeneration at this point is treated with the help of injections, which arrest the progression and prevent a complete blindness. So this is how you take care of your eyes decade on decade, year on year, and stay healthy throughout. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.